Happy Sunday. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Matthew. I just picked up a 45 Ralph's double. The order is basically all of one customer and then the other customer has one item. So it should be a pretty easy shop, basically like we're shopping a single. I really hope you guys have been getting good orders lately. We are closing in on the end of summer, so school season is about to start. For those of you who had a pretty slow summer, just know that it's going to pick up with all the school stuff and, people get into a routine of ordering stuff for the week. So Sundays and Mondays should be really good again. Today is a Sunday. It is about 8:08 right now. Picked up this batch about 5 or 6 minutes ago. We're gonna waste no more time, you guys. I'm gonna head up and grab a cart. We're gonna have some fun in this video, hopefully make a decent number, and yeah, let's just have a great day. So let's head up, grab a cart, and get this shop going. All right, we just dropped that off. It was a little annoying because I didn't have any service at that drop off for the wine. However, it ended up being a great order. I've actually had that customer. I don't remember having customer A, so it is weird to see random new people come into my algorithm in areas that I am pretty familiar with working. We just got back on the freeway. We're gonna go to some stores. Solid start to the day. That batch ended up being just under $50. Had a couple replacements and they added a couple items. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna go now. It's like 9 o'clock, a little bit after. I do wanna go to Costco today if they'll let me, but if not, I'll gladly skip for something good. But anyways, I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next order. All right, you guys, we are back pulling into Costco right now. So I didn't film. I did a 39 little Ralph single. Got to Costco a little bit late. Actually, I mean like 10 o'clock. I don't know if it still drops orders at like 9:54. I haven't been like coming to drops every day, so I don't know if you guys are still seeing Costco batches as early as like 9:50, 9:52. I know that's a thing, but I just picked up an 84 single, and this guy is a repeat, 70 flat tip. It's like 125 units, you guys. 125 units, but it is a flat tip. A lot of it is butter, and the high units are honestly like really easy. I'll just grab a couple of the boxes and we'll make this quick. So before I grab this, I was at 89 on the morning. It's like I found a spot. It's kind of a far spot, but we'll get our cardio in. We'll get some steps in today. But yeah, you guys, super pumped. This is a great batch. I think it's like 7 items or 9 items, 125 units. So basically it's just some bulk. We'll have some fun with it on the flat. My OCD is gonna be on point this shop. All right, so we're on track to hit 200 pretty soon after this batch. We're gonna head up, grab a flat. Let's go get this guy going. Always a necessity getting boxes before the shop. So 60 of these is 4 boxes. I'm gonna get 4 boxes. Of the green butter, they got $720 worth of this, just the butter alone. right, we just dropped that one off. That one sent me a 173 on the day. It is 11:30, you guys. Very solid start. I'm very grateful for it. Happy that this morning gave me orders and then Costco gave me one as well. It makes me feel like I'm doing something right. When I expect stuff to happen, you get out early and you expect orders to happen. It always feels good. So I'm going to go to a store nearby. I need to use the restroom and grab a water. It is toasty out. It's already 81 degrees. And hopefully it's just warming up on Instacart too. So the start feels good. The volume feels good. I had a few on my screen when I dropped off. So we're gonna get back on the screen. I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next batch. All right, that was about a 40-ish minute wait. I did pass on a batch that I should have taken. It was 30 bucks, but it was at a store that wasn't like super close to me, so it wasn't like ideal to go over and do that. Picked up, however, a 42 double. It's like, I think 19 items, and I believe the tip is just under 30 bucks. It's going 9 miles, but honestly, most of it's freeway, so it should be pretty easy. I am heading over to the store right now to do it. It's a Ralph's order. Today, Ralph seems like they're doing pretty good. This is like my third batch at Ralph, so maybe we'll hang out there. I'm not really sure where to go, honestly. Just trying to stay around busy stores, you know? There's a lot of lit stores today, but not a bunch of volume. I had a lot this morning hidden on my screen. I had like 13 at one point at Costco, and like half of them were Costco and half of them were just like bad Walmart orders and stuff like that. But this is a solid batch, puts me over 200 something, and I should get it done just a little bit after 1 o'clock if everything goes smooth. So yeah, we're gonna head over there, get this guy going, and try to keep the ball moving, find a rhythm. All right, you guys, we just handled that one. The guy driving behind me also was delivering to their house, so it's probably a delivery day for them. That one put me at 218, and it is a tick past 115 right now. It is really hot today. I know it's not like Arizona or Texas, but like 80 degrees, and it's pretty humid out here in California, which we don't get that very often. But yeah, very solid. Hopefully I don't have to wait too long for the next one. You guys know we rely on Sundays to be busy, and honestly the best days of the week usually, so hopefully it keeps up. I'm on my way to some stores, not exactly sure where I'm gonna camp right now. I'm gonna feel it out and see how volume is and basically make my decision on what to do based on the volume. If it's really bad for like 30 minutes, I might just go back to Costco, see if they have another one for me. I didn't really want to do a lot of Costco camping today or orders because the store is packed and there's so many people you can barely move, but it might have something good for us later in the day. But regardless of all that, very happy with the start, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next one. All right, well, that did not take long. I think right after I ended that clip, this little 21 single popped up for 5 items, you guys. It's just one of those batches, like if you're at the store or near the store, it's almost impossible to turn down with how easy it is. I would honestly run these kind of batches all day if they were just handed, but I mean, it's kind of sad to think these batches are not that common as you think they would be. I'm getting parked right here, backing in so I can pull out quickly, and let's go get these 5 items, you guys. Right, so that one set me exactly at 240, 1:45 p.m. right now. My goal, is always 200 before 2 p.m. That just means you're on track to have a great day, potential 400 day. So I would say that is in the mix today. Volume seems good. And I don't know if you guys saw, but I grabbed Kim a cold bottle from the refrigerator section, and she was really excited because I was like, oh, I found they had a cold one in there left. When you just mention little things like that, it just shows the customer that you are going above and beyond for them, especially the people that tip good, like her tip was like 15 bucks going like a mile for 5 items. But anyways, 2:40, super solid by this time, not even 2 o'clock. It'd be nice to pick up something by 2, which would be in the next 15 minutes. So I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll let you guys know when I pick up another one. All right, you guys, we just picked up a 52. It's about 2:15, so we didn't have to wait too long, a little bit, like 30 minutes. It was like 30 minutes since my last clip. Pretty easy shop, 18 items. One customer wants like 40 of these protein drinks, so I hope they have them. But we're gonna go in, get this guy going. Yo, this guy hooked it up. He brought out a box and some, so she's solid. Almost done with this one. All right, drink to that. Had to switch it up today. Second drop off went super smooth. She met me outside in the garage. Super glad Sprouts had all the drinks that she wanted. That drink specifically is extremely hard to find sometimes. So it's a little after 3 o'clock right now, you guys. Set me up just under 300, and I'm close to Costco, so I think I'll just go back and give it like 30 minutes and see if they can toss me something decent. So don't want to sit there, don't want to get sucked into a hole. Talked about that. That can happen. Kind of happened to me yesterday, honestly. But I'm getting ready to get into the circle, and hopefully we get something soon. All right, you guys, not even 10 minutes, $70 pops up, double. It's almost 40 items, but shouldn't be too bad. We are gonna waste no time handling this. All right, you guys, within minutes, not even minutes, within seconds of dropping off that last order, this $40 single hit my screen, 12 items. This could be a debate. This might be my best batch of the day. It's going like a mile, 12 items, no deli, nothing like that. Half of it's a LaCroix, should be super easy. So we're gonna head up, grab a cart, and knock this out. Dude, look at this display. Look at it. Any flavor. I'm gonna get half the order right here. right, you guys, I think we just picked up our last one of the day. It's a 23 single, like 5 or 6 items, something like that, going in the direction where I live. So I figured why not get paid to drive home. I was at Sprouts picking up some groceries for us and this popped up. So I was like, you know what, get paid to drive home and pays for the groceries. So we're on our way to knock this guy out. Should put me around $4.50 on the day. All right, you guys, just dropped that off. About to pick up dinner, a little Blaze pizza. It's a cheat day. I didn't go to the gym, so we're gonna hit it hard tomorrow. Today was a very good day, ended at $4.50. Nothing I can complain about that. Just picked up the dinner, it's about to hit. Don't forget to treat yourselves good, you guys. You know, when you work hard, it's important to treat yourself good. Don't forget to take care of yourself. I don't talk about mental health a lot on this channel, but it's important because this job can get super draining and sometimes you just don't wanna do it. Put you in nice, safe and sound. Hold those ranchers down. So I'm gonna head home right now, enjoy this dinner, and enjoy the rest of my Sunday evening. I hope you guys had an amazing day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave your comments down below. We engage with each other. I always love engaging with you guys, and we can talk about stuff that I don't talk about in my videos. So as always, I'll throw the numbers up on the screen, breaking down my day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.